A quick minute to talk a little bit about some of the changes we made in our fitness testing, explain the new worksheet, the cognitive worksheet that everyone's doing as part of fitness testing and growth. Our old system was really good in the fact that it gave a lot of information to us as teachers about how students were doing, how they were improving, helped us to create record boards and things, get an overall average of the amount of growth. The downside was that it didn't really necessarily let the students own the data. So it wasn't very individualized, and the data could never stay with that student over 4 years. And so what we're really happy about, some of the work we did over the summer to kind of change the way we're overall measuring growth, not just student performance, and then also making that data be something that that student can see over the course of 4 years and develop goals and kind of own that. So quickly, you've seen these around the gym. There are two sets of posters here, and we posted them in different areas, and that's the new fitness standards that we've set up for the district. So first, this would be for the boys, obviously. You'll notice a difference in the fact that there are 12 steps. These are basically 12 little levels for each of the 5 components of fitness that we still measure. Obviously, noticing that body composition is not graded. We would never grade that. It was kind of an optional fitness test, but it is one of the 5 components of fitness, so we feel like it's important to give students that opportunity to see where they're at. Cardiovascular, so based on either your mile time or your pacer time, that will fall into one of these steps. The first 4 being all times that are under the healthy fitness zone requirements set by national norms and FitnessGram. The middle 3, 5 through 8, any of those times that fall in, or any of those amount of push-ups or set-ups, are all going to be meeting the healthy fitness zone standards. And anything 9 to 12 would be exceeding, which is outstanding. And so then what you'll do is, on your worksheet, whether you're a female or a male, you're going to get this from your teacher, and you're going to put your score in. You're going to also highlight which of the colors did that fall under. Was it a red, does not meet, a yellow, or a green? Then you're also going to put what step that was under. Now, obviously, with the mile or the pacer, those are tests that give us a better, we really value the cardiovascular component of fitness. So that is going to be worth a little bit more than the others. So that percentage is going to be worth 10 points. Push-ups, sit-ups, sit and reach, the ones that are graded, will be worth 5. Once we take those scores, those are added up and give you a total. Those total number of points then will generate kind of a score here. And so those scores then tell us overall, what was my overall rating? Does not meet, meets, or exceeds. Then below, you take that data and you give some questions and some feedback. Which one did you perform the best on? Which one did you need the most improvement on? What does this represent for you? What are some effects that your level of fitness can have on your lifelong health? Based on this assessment, what are 2 goals that you could maybe set for regarding your health and wellness based on the results? And then what's some activities you could focus on in your time in PE? So that will be done here right off the bat. So when we do the pre-test within your first couple weeks of PE class, you get that initial fitness scores. The teacher takes that. We do some different things with the scores. Remember, you're not being graded just on your performance. You're being graded on your growth. And so we do not grade fitness testing. We grade participation in the sense of the amount of growth you're putting in, the amount you're improving. And there's some ways that that's done specifically I won't get into in this video. Side 2 would be then at the end of the class. So at the end of the semester, you're going to do your post-test. You're going to do the things that kind of show how much did you improve over the course of this course. So you'll copy over the stuff from side 1. You'll now include the stuff from side 2. And because of that, you've got your post-test scores subtracted by your pre-test scores, and that gives you an overall amount of growth that you had. And then those levels of growth give you a grade based on how much you improved. And so those are different levels and amounts based on if you already were in the exceeds, meets, or does not meet. And then we have some questions about what does that mean? Do you feel like your final comparisons were what you wanted? And then how are you going to continue to make choices that will impact your lifelong health and fitness? So that's the sheet that you'll turn in. All PE teachers are doing that. That's a cognitive grade to get that done. There's really no wrong answers. It's just something that you need to do because it forces us to kind of reflect on what we're doing. And like I said, you're owning your own data. So I think this is going to be something that's going to be beneficial. Again, going back to how those things play out and how they help you on going forward will be up to you. So hope this video helps. Thank you. Bye-bye.